Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture is specially we designed for Hangman solution in Python coding. So it's a super easy Python project who wants to start a game development environment. And initiating how the logics will be prepared, here we are going to learning, and super easily this code we are trying to preparing using ChatGPT. So really awesome. If you are new to first time you are watching this video lecture, please do subscribe now and have such a great lectures with ease how to enable your logical thinking and logical coding and creating multiple bunch of projects in your hand. Let's begin the session. ChatGPT is an open source software like an API. It's a chat.openapi.com. It's a non-profit organization with open source code used and build this tool. And write what you want and get the answers immediately in less time. It's a tool is getting better and every day it's a modifying. And register with having a Google or Microsoft account to have a free account and start your learning and career, explore your way. And my question is for ChatGPT tool to build a Hangman game in Python. So how it is possible, I'll show you a step-by-step process now. Let's go back here and open Google and hit ChatGPT. To initiating ChatGPT, you just simply hit ChatGPT. The first link you have to choose here. See, scroll down and try ChatGPT. If you are already registered, you will see this dashboard window. It's a ChatGPT tool is ready to accept your queries. If you are new to ChatGPT, it will ask you to log in and sign up. So first, using a free account you just create. There is no need to pay any amount for this. And now I have a logged in using my account of ChatGPT. Now my query I am asking here simply build a Hangman game in Python. What happens ChatGPT will see now. Yes, it's a fraction of seconds. Here is an implementation of a Hangman in Python. It is initiated and writing a great code for us. Wow, it's creating import random method. If you know the basics how to a Python programming language, and then you will be understand what it is taking, define a function it is taken, some words it is taken, and letters, alphabets, numbers, and guessing things, and while loop it is observing. See how super easily game is prepared and play Hangman. It's readily this function is prepared here, what the function is calling. So what we need to do now, let's test it. Copy code, it's absolutely free to use. Take a copy of code. In my computer system I have a PyCharm IDE, which is a Python course you can learn and practice for your real world applications. So here what I am trying here, the same source code what ChatGPT is created here, I have taken a copy, and in my PyCharm IDE where the Python code can compile and run, I am running here. First, I would like to see run simply this code, where it is running or not. Yes, this program is running 100% successfully. There is no doubt at all. So see, Hangman, you have a 6 tries left and available letters are, these are the letters are here. Guess a letter it is asking. So what I want to do now, I want to create some some list it is there. Just I am typing A is here, A is here, yes, A is here, and V is here, and Java, I'm trying to copying. You have already guessed that letter. You have already guessed this letter. Something, another one it is asking. So let me check PHP. You have already guessed that letter. So something K, some missing. So see, so something it is taking 6 characters of letter it is asking. So if you are not reached, Ruby available characters, guess a letter. So say 6 times are here. So K is starting means KOTLIN. It is giving some reference. Let me check Kotlin. Yeah, even it is asking something another word what I don't know. You have a 6 tries left. It's a keep on, it's asking a Hangman game where we have to keep on try to We have to try to like map the guessing letter to the computer system what it is generated. So this is a what about like this Hangman game. So you just try your way. In this way, game logic is going to be prepared for play the game. So here, am I written any line of code here that you need to concentrate? When you are perfectly learned a basics of core Python, you can easily play by taking this ChatGPT generated codes. So Hari Systems is offering vast range of core languages and basics. You need to be make master. Yes, having that basics, you will be add more productivity to your career and ensure to make like master in any of your programming languages or any of your day-to-day activities. If you feel uncomfortable, this video lecture is useful for you. Please do subscribe now and share your comments and views. Thank you.